Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg and this is a custom drawing for Thomas. Thomas is a huge supporter of mine who already ordered so many drawings, mostly A3 and A2 size drawings, so I really appreciate the support. And if you guys are also interested in custom drawings, just message me on Instagram or email. So this time Thomas wanted 3 A3 size drawings with the Great Ape Oozaru transformation with all the steps. These commissions will be a mix of anime and manga, which he will separate into 3 videos, and today we will start with the first drawing. Therefore, Thomas created this layout as he knew exactly how he wanted his first drawing to look like. He chose all the matching stages, put them in order, but he will draw this with his original character instead of Goku. I will of course add my own touch to this and we will draw this first drawing completely in manga style. So let me do the sketch right now and then we can do the manga style inking together. Make sure to watch the whole video, give it a like and let's go.
What a waste of love.
Alright guys, the sketch is done and I think this looks very good. All the steps of a Saiyan transforming into the Great Ape, well, at least the first steps. The final steps we will see in the other two drawings. So right now I'm going to ink this first the normal way with the first layer of ink. Just tracing all the lines and then we can get more detailed. So, this is the pre-detailed version and now we will bring the line art to life. I'm using pens with different sizes for all the specific areas, so thinner pens for more detailed parts and thicker pens for larger areas. So if you know me, you know that I like to do my line art very detailed, sometimes even black shades, but today we will keep this in manga style, but I will still make the lines thicker, will add lots of details to the character and also using lines and these big symbols to increase the intensity. We will now do this for the entire drawing and then we are almost done. The drawing looks really good, I really like it, so detailed, perfectly drawn in manga style, and the original character of Thomas is looking amazing, and he has so intense face expressions on each panel. Now, as you can see, I'm using a white gel pen to outline these symbols so they stand out even more, and that would be the final touch.
What a waste of love.
Alright guys, now we are done, and as I said, the first custom drawing for Thomas is looking amazing. The first steps of transforming into the great ape, and the final steps we will see in the next 2 custom drawings for Thomas in the next weeks. Alright guys, now let me know in the comments what you think of this. Also give me inspiration for future videos and like the video to show me your support. You can also support me on Patreon. If you appreciate my work, that would be amazing. Also subscribe to my real-time channel for full-time videos and check out my online shop for original drawings and prints. For commissions, message me on Instagram, and if your custom drawing fits to my channel, I will make a video out of it and mention your name in the video, just like today. All the links down below in the info box, including the links to the materials I'm using. That's it guys, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on the next